Hey, this is Alan. I'm going to show you what labels can do for you inside of your Gmail email system. Previously, we used folders, and you will see that your folders have migrated over. What I want us to do now is to look at the very bottom where we can create a new label. I want to begin to organize my emails much more efficiently. So I'm going to type in example one, create that label. I'm also going to create another new label. I'm going to call it example two. Create that label, and notice that it will show up and it appears as if it is in fact a folder. I can hit the drop down arrow to the right of example one, and I can actually change that color, and I'll change this one to purple, and I'll change this one to orange so we can see it quite nicely. Now, as you can see, I have a message here from Leslie Peak about some governor's budget proposals. And what I would like to do is I want to label that as an example one. The nice thing you can do, you can just simply click on this label on the left-hand side, and you can drag it and drop it. And now this label is attached to Leslie McCoy's BGISD legislative update. I can also come to a message from Mr. Fields, and it's about our snow day. I can drag this example two over to his message. So now he is associated with this example two, and she is associated with example one. Camilla Simpson, I can do the same thing. I can actually drag her over to example one, and now notice she's example one, Leslie example one. And if I wanted to come to my search box, because remember, Google is a search engine, so they search things very well. I would type in the word label, colon, and type example one. I search this, and notice I now have the labels that search for the example one. I could also, if I wanted Leslie to be associated with example two, I could simply drag her and drop this label to her message as well, which means if I change the search to level two, Leslie will also show up as a label there. Hopefully you'll understand labels. It's taken me just a little bit of time, but all of you guys are way smarter than I am, so you shouldn't have any trouble figuring that out. The key is to begin yourselves to get organized early on. Thank you.